Hindi yan naka-charge. Hindi yan napailan ng
Unlimited yung buhay niyan, Ben.
Alright. And this time, banana sit down. Apple stand up. And when we say saging, all you have to do is to sit down. And when we say mansanas, all you have to do is to stand up. There you go. And this time, kids, banana.
Banana sit down. Ayun, kids, banana sit down.
Apple stand up. Banana sit down. Apple stand up. Saging upo.
Ayun, saging upo.
Mansanas sa'yo. Nonchalant lang kasi siya, be.
Yes.
Hayaan mo na siya.
Ayun, this time naman daw po, sabi nga po ni Jollibee, ang bata daw po hindi nakikinig, automatic out na saging.
Yes.
Kaya naman kids, makinig na mabuti sa sabi, Jerry.
Alright, this time kids, get ready and listen carefully. And this time, magtatanggal na po kami ni Kuya JM sa mga batang hindi makikinig sa mechanics ng game. Alright, this time kids, get ready. Banana. Apple. Mansanas. Walang nala. Panalo siya!
Panalo siya!
Panalo siya! Prize. You are the winner. Diba? Hindi niya alam na nanalo siya.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Alright. Get ready. Banana. Apple. Mansanas. Maraming salamat, Tatay. You need to sit down. See you for our next game. Alright, move closer. Move closer. Alright, get ready. Banana. It's okay, ate. Later, marami pa tayong games. Apple.
Mansanas, you don't know the
Mansanas. Saging. Banana.
Listen, Odor.
Thank you so much. And you are the winner, Ate Sandra. And claim your prize to you, JM.
Ayan. This time naman, Kuya Jerry.
For our second game, lato rin ng Jolly Kids, balik dito sa gitna. And for